All right, we're at the Ban Dai Gachapon store in Torrance, California. Let's try this Kirby Gachapon machine to see what we get. Twist, twist, beyond excited. This is not a happy face Kirby. I wish this clip would stand on its own. Bummer. Here's a look at all of the other possibilities. I really want one of these Mofusand Cat charm bookmarks. I need some good luck to get a good looking one. Oh, this one is too cute. Two cats sleeping together next to each other. I need a bird stamp to add to my collection. Twist, twist. It's a yellow and green bird. I like. Here's the stamp. Thank you for watching.